What if I told you there's an app which looks like ChatGPT in its core, but way more advanced? It has inbuilt slides, web app generation, coding, and a lot more. Hey everyone, I'm Ritesh, and today we're going to explore Z.AI, the next gen LLM that's making some serious noise online. Now you might be wondering, how can this be any different? Here's the thing. This is not just meant for chatting or some small code snippet generation. Here, you can literally create entire presentation, web application, and much more just with a single prompt. So in this video, let's put Z.AI to test and see if it actually lives up to the hype or it's just another AI that's making some sound. All right, let's dive in. So to begin, let's head over to chat.z.ai and let's sign in. I'm going to use Google for this. I'll click on continue and I'm already in. You can see it's much similar to how ChatGPT looks. You have a left menu where all the chats will be shown, and you have a center portion where you give the prompt. Now, let's start with AI slides. Let's take a very simple but yet very important topic. Create a presentation on why do humans sleep? AI slides. Click on AI slides. Okay, so it comes with this particular tag here. And let's click on enter. Now, because it has to research about the particular topic and collect all the information that it needs and then create the presentation, it will take a long while. Okay, it may take about 5 to 6 minutes. And we want to cover a lot of things in this video. And that's why what we have done is we have already run this same prompt in some other account, and I'm going to show you what was the end result. Okay, so here you can see human sleep, right? So we've given the same prompt, create a presentation on why do humans sleep. And you can see that it has run through all the things that it needs, right? And it has asked us, is there any specific aspect of the presentation you would like me to explain in more detail, right? Now you see this is what we have got, okay? Why do humans sleep? All the images, titles, subtitles, explanation, everything is coming just with that single prompt, okay? The mystery of sleep. Sleep occurs 1/3 of our lives. All animals sleep, even simple organisms. Despite its ubiquity, the exact purpose of sleep remains debated. This presentation explores the science behind why we sleep. Right? Evolutionary perspective, then the stages of sleep, right? With all the diagrams, you can see it, right? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, REM sleep, okay? All of this is generated with just that single prompt that we gave. A simple one, right? Physical health, the consequences of sleep deprivation, physical health, mental health, safety, weight, okay? The essential nature of sleep, okay? So now it has ended it over here. Okay, sleep is a fundamental biological process essential for survival and so on and so forth. How will you prioritize your sleep tonight? Okay, now this is the first thing that we tried. The second thing that we tried was a presentation for a coffee shop. Let's quickly check what was the prompt. Make a pitch deck for a coffee startup targeting college students. Okay, so that was a simple prompt that we had given. And let's see, we had not given any other prompt for this. And let's see if we had given any other refinements. Nothing. Now, let's see, campus brew, fueling student success, 1 cup at a time. Okay, the background image, the name, the tagline, okay, everything is generated by Z.AI. The coffee challenge for college students, okay, expensive options, inconvenient access, poor study environment. Okay, our solution, campus brew. Affordable quality, premium coffee at student-friendly prices, convenient access, study optimized spaces. Okay, the student coffee market. 92% consume caffeine regularly, 74% drink coffee in the morning, 2+ average cups per day, 26% study in coffee shops weekly. Okay, number 1 preferred caffeine source for both male and female students, right? Revenue stream, direct sales, subscription service, partnership. Okay, and it has created a menu, coffee selection, study fuel, campus specials. Okay, reaching our audience, campus presence, digital engagement, student ambassador program, events, and sponsorship. Now, I'm sure if we can give more details, it will be able to come up with even better results. Isn't this already amazing? With just one sentence of prompt, it is able to generate eye-catching presentation. Now let's try the third one. Z.AI, it says, right? And what was the prompt? Create an investor presentation for an AI education platform, including market research, product roadmap, and revenue model. Okay, let's see if we are given any refinements. Nothing. So let's see what we've got. It's a 12-page presentation this time, right? Edu.AI, transforming education through artificial intelligence. Okay, so executive summary, market opportunity, our solution, market need, funding ask. Okay, so market opportunity, 5.88 billion, market size in 2024, 32.27 billion projected by 2030. That's a huge jump in 6 years, isn't it? Key market segments, then we have key drivers. Okay, it has drawn some graphs as well. Then problem and solution, current challenges, what is our solution? AI powered learning technology. It has given some diagram as well. Now, product overview, Edu.AI comprehensive platform leverages cutting-edge AI technology to transform the educational experience. Okay, some pointers for that. You can see that these pointers and everything that it has created is neat, isn't it? Right? We have product roadmap, core platform, enhanced AI, analytics, accessibility, enterprise. Okay, so this is current 6 month, 12 month, 18 month, and 24 month. Revenue model, freemium model, subscription tiers, pre-student licensing, enterprise solutions, and content partnerships. Okay, competitive advantage, differentiators that set Edu.AI apart in the rapidly growing AI education market. Okay, a few pointers here as well. Go-to-market strategy, a few pointers here. Then we have team overview. Okay, experienced leadership team with the deep expertise in education and AI technology. Again, a few pointers. Financial projections, right? Year 1, 2 million, year 2, 8 million, year 3, 20 million, year 4 is 45 million, year 5 is 80 million. Okay, user growth, key metrics, profitability, and then investment opportunity. Join us in transforming education through artificial intelligence. Funding ask, 5 million. Use of funds, some splits it has given. Key milestones, expected ROI, contact information. Right? So you can see how amazingly it is generating this presentations with just a simple prompt. Now, if we are able to give more details to it, I'm sure it will do even better job. What do you think? Next up, let's see how it is able to generate entire web application with a single prompt. So I'm going back here. I'm going to duplicate this. Let's go to new chat. Let's select this full stack. And the prompt is going to be build a personal portfolio website with sections for about, project, and contact. Make it look simple, professional, and wanting to work with me. So let's hit enter. This is still happening. Let me quickly go to our other account and show you what it has built. Portfolio full stack 1. Workspace is inactive. Let's restore this. Again, let's see what we are given as a prompt. Build a personal portfolio website with sections for about, project, and contact. Make it look simple, professional, and wanting to work with me. Okay, so you can see that with this single prompt, it has generated the entire section that we asked. Let's quickly check how this looks like. There you go. So we could also open it in a new tab. Okay, hi, I am your name. We have to fill in this information, of course. Full stack developer and UI UX designer. Okay, view my work, get in touch. A very simple hero section, right? And then about me, building digital experiences that matter, front-end development, back-end development, UI, UX design, DevOps. Okay. Featured projects, e-commerce platform, task management app, AI, content generation. So we have all projects. Let's work together. A very simple page which gives the user to see all the things that we need, right? So if you click on this one, comes here, click on this, it takes you to the project, click on this contact page. And if you click on view all projects, so just look at the power of this AI platform. With a very simple prompt, we are able to generate the entire portfolio screen, right? Not just that, you can download this, you can also publish this. And the beauty is, even the presentation will be without any watermark and you can use it fully free. Let's move on to the second slide, second full stack development, which is Eat Up. Let's see what was the prompt that we had given. Build a responsive food ordering app called Eat Up using yellow and orange colors. Include a home page with categories like burgers. Let me just refresh this. Burgers, pizzas, drinks, and desserts. A menu page with add to cart buttons, a cart section with subtotal and total, and a checkout form with cash or card option. Okay. Let's quickly check if we had given any refinements. Okay, so we had asked add variety of products under it, right? That was one refinement we asked. So you can see here all the items being added, and that's all. Okay, let's move on to the other page and see if, oh yeah, so it has started generating. The first page is ready. Let's check here. It's still building. Let's come back. Delicious food delivered fast. Okay, Eat Up. Order from our wide selection of mouth-watering dishes, from juicy burgers to fresh pizzas. We've got it all. Order now. Okay, so we have got a burger. Let's see the menu. Let's open it up in the new tab. So let's see. 8 items it says. Can we click on this? Nope. View menu. Oh, we've got some error. Okay. We may have to give some more options. Let's see if this works. Let me just give this as prompt and see what it says. When I click on any of the menu options like burgers or pizzas, I see this error. Do you please fix it? So while this is happening, let's move on to Netflix clone. Okay, let's see. This is very interesting. If it has pulled out. Create a Netflix clone with a homepage showing trending movies, a movie details page with a description and trailer link, and a search bar to filter titles. Use a dark theme with red accents, display posters in grid layout, and make the design responsive for both desktop and mobile. Add dummy movie data and include hover animations for each posters. Let's see if we had given any refinements. Nope, we had not given any refinements. Let's see what has been the output. While this is loading, let me quickly go. Okay, it's already loaded, so let's come back. Netflix, home, TV shows, movies, my list. Stranger Things. When a young boy disappears, his mother, a police chief, and his friends must confront terrifying supernatural forces in order to get him back. Okay, so we've got this thing here, and then we have got all the trending. When you hover, it shows some details, but it's not responsive enough, right? And let's click on plays. Let's see what happens. Watch trailer. Okay, it's not linked. No worries. So as we can see, it has got somewhat like Netflix. I wouldn't say exact match, but a few things, right? Let's go to TV shows. Nope. Movies. Nope. My list. Nope. Home. More info. Okay, the same thing opens up, and not bad, right? What are your thoughts? Okay, let's move on. Oh, this is ready. Much similar to what we had seen in the previous case. It is still building, by the way. right? View my work, get in touch, about me section is available, featured projects is available, let's work together is also available. Let's see if we have got the PPT, and we have got 2 pages, just 2 pages. Okay. Why do humans sleep and biological mechanisms of sleep. Okay, so just 2 pages. Of course, if we give some more prompt, refining prompt, then it should be able to generate even further. Now, let's go to new chat, and we have this magic design, which is meant for mockups. Okay, so let's quickly put a prompt. Create a simple landing page for a fitness app that promotes daily workout plans and subscription offers. Let me hit enter. And while this is generating, let's come back and see what had happened. Fit daily. Okay, the same prompt I would assume. Yeah. And did we do any refinements further? Nope. Right, you can see what we've got. Fit daily, features, pricing, and reviews. Okay, transform your fitness journey with daily workouts. And we've got some screens here. Start your free trial, daily workout plans designed for you, personalized workout, and so on and so forth. Why choose fit daily? Yep. And some pointers here. I would say adding some more margin here, padding, would make it look even nicer. But okay, not bad. What our users say? Okay, some reviews added here. Choose your plan. Free trial, monthly, annual. Okay, this looks a bit odd, and also the font I think is like too big, right? Yeah, that's my take, but let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Okay, now we had also done one more mockup, tech startup. Let's quickly check what was the prompt. Design a tech startup website that looks clean and professional with sections for about, features, and pricing. Okay, so this is what it has generated for us. Okay, tech startup website design, a clean and professional design approach for modern tech startup. Overall design approach, minimalist aesthetic, consistent visual language, strategic visual element, and intuitive navigation. Okay, and then color scheme, typography, about section design, and some pointers, features section design, some pointers, pricing section design, and some options, best practices, and that's all. I think this one looks a bit more nicer than the first one. What do you think? So please share your thoughts in the comments below about each of these things so that we all can learn from each other. Okay, now the last thing that we have got is this ready? Not yet. Yeah, this is ready. So we already saw what it was all about. Okay, now I'm going to a new chat, and we have deep research and then write code. Let's do the deep research thing. So summarize recent trends in electric vehicles in 2025. So let's quickly check. And while this is happening, I'll quickly show you what we had already done. Okay, so new trends, research 1, up. This is not run for some reason. Let's check the research 2. Yeah, we have got here. So we'd asked compare ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini in terms of reasoning and performance. Okay, and final answer, based on the latest research and practical testing in 2025, ChatGPT 4.0 and GPT 4.5, Claude 4, Opus, and Sonnet, and Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash each demonstrate leading capabilities in reasoning and performance, but differ significantly in architectural design, context length, safety, multi-model support, and cost effectiveness. Right, so analysis report, background overview, it has given us some details over here. Okay, and it also gives us some references, right? So for example, if you click on this, it will open a new tab where it shows from where has it got this information, right? So ChatGPT versus Google Gemini versus Anthropic Claude. Okay, So that's one of the reference. We have got one more reference here, one more reference here. So all this details, it will fetch and give you a proper analysis. Okay, you can see here metrics modeled, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Okay, and all the differences that we can see from each of this. Source analysis and authority assessment. Okay, that also it gives. And in-depth insights and independent thinking. Okay, some more details. And it also gives us the reference that we were talking about. Wow, with just one simple prompt. Okay, let's quickly check if this is, okay, it's still running. Now, while this is running, let's move on and see. Okay, Fit Daily is ready over here. Okay, I'm juggling between different tabs so that I can quickly show you how this entire platform works, right? So you can see here, this looks much better than what we had seen in our previous example, isn't it? Wow, this looks very nice. Super cool. I don't know why with the same prompt, the output is so different, right? Now let's move on to next chat. And the last option that we have is write code. And I'm just going to use one of this, create an interactive bubble wrap web page with popping sounds. Okay, and I'll quickly show you what happened when we tried this, right? So code 1 is here. So, some funny game. Okay, spin wheel, code 2, your lunch decision. Okay. So this is where it can show us. So we have not tried any complex code here, but feel free to try it out and let us know what do you think about the platform. Now, this were the references that we got. Let me just close this, right? And did it refine the code? Let's quickly check that. That was full stack to here, eat up. Let's see if it has refined the issue. Click on view menu. Nope. The now. Nope. So we still have issues, and I don't know how far we'll have to go to get this resolved. So that's a walkthrough of Z.AI. Z.AI was developed by a company called Zipu, a leading AI company from China. It's one of the few companies in Asia that's actively competing with OpenAI and Google, and they're making AI tools that's not only powerful but also accessible to a large audience. The best part is Z.AI is completely free to use. You can just sign up and start using all the features it has to offer. Tools like this gives creators, students, and professionals the same power that a large company had a year or two back. It's not the first tool that we have covered coming out of China. We have covered a few more and they are available in the channel right here. Now, one of the things, if you notice, and my opinion about the tool, presentation came out very well and the mockup was slightly good, but the full stack development, we saw some issues. I'm not sure how many iterations we'll have to go to get that resolved, but that's what we saw. I would like for all of you to try it and share your experience in the comments below. Not just that, if you found this video helpful, please share it with as many people as possible so that they can explore new tools like this whenever we have it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.